Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited, as always, to show you one of my favorite brands. I mean, it's probably my top brand out of pretty much all the brands. And that's because I love their interior design. It's stunning. Their layouts are always beautiful, and they're just a great product. So it is the LaCrosse, and this one happens to be 2 bedrooms. So I'm in love with it for sure. Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited, as always, to show you one of my favorite brands. I mean, it's probably my top brand out of pretty much all the brands. And that's because I love their interior design. It's stunning. Their layouts are always beautiful, and they're just a great product. So it is the LaCrosse, and this one happens to be 2 bedrooms. So I'm in love with it for sure. And the price is amazing. For this price, you can get out, go and enjoy your adventures and have memories and do it with your kiddos, or grandkids or whatever. So I just cannot wait to show you this LaCrosse. And again, it's not the same as, being here in person. Doing a video walkthrough is great, but being here in person, so you do need to come in and see this, because the color, the everything about it is going to look a little bit different, and it's stunning. So let's start outside. Let me turn this around, and we're going to go look at the front, of course. Now this is a fiberglass 3500 dB, so it is a 2-bedroom with, let me see how many sides, 4 slides. And again, it's just a beautiful RV. Now he's got 2 awnings, which who doesn't love 2 awnings? Beautiful windows, but let's take a look inside. All right. So if you don't already find this absolutely beautiful, then I don't know what to tell you. You've got that blue gray color, and it's a darker blue gray. It's just it's one of my favorite colors, actually. I love the backsplash back here. You've got a 3-burner, you've got a great oven, giant microwave, and a residential fridge. You've got plenty of storage here. Over there, down here, you even got places that you can put like maybe a picture or a mirror or something. You can make it your own. And of course, you've got your coffee counter over here, which that's what I would use it for. You've got this beautiful hard surface counter. You can put this up or down. Another thing I like about LaCrosse is they have tables. Now I like dinettes, but I love a table. You can put it down, move it around. I love it. And this, of course, these beautiful chairs. I love having chairs. You've got a amazing soft couch, but it turns into a bed, so you have the opportunity to sleep even more in this unit. The floors are beautiful. I can't say enough about it. Right here we have the bathroom. Now this is, I believe, a 2-bathroom in this unit, so it's pretty great. So we got a huge shower. Plenty of space here, plenty of storage for your bathroom as well. Plenty of room to have a seat and not hit your knees. That's always good. Look at the master bedroom, though. Look at the master bedroom. So I love nooks. I love reading nooks, or just an area to relax that isn't on your bed. Now, I love the bed. I love the backboard. I love the wood look. I love it. But to have a nook right here in this beautiful window, it's just, and this is, again, not only is it long, but it's so comfy. Plus you have plenty of area to hang up your clothes, both sides, and you've got a little dresser, fireplace. You can put your entertainment up top. a nice big bed and plenty of room here, guys. Plenty of room, not only to walk on both sides, but to stand up and maybe get dressed right here in your room. It's crazy. Now, let's go to the other side. Right through this door, you have your second bedroom. It has a Versa lift. So if you want to sit up and, you know, watch TV or do whatever you want to do sitting up, you can do it. It's got an area on both sides to put your phone or whatever. I think it's on both sides. Yeah, both sides. You've got this long wardrobe, tall wardrobe. And actually, I believe, yeah, you can have your washer and dryer in here as well. So hang up your clothes, washer and dryer area. I mean, what is not to love? And then right here, guys, you got your own bathroom. So it's a 1.5 bath. Still plenty. I mean, I love it. Plenty of room here. Plenty of area to put in your bathroom stuff. You know, whatever. I mean, it's just nice to have this in the extra bedroom. It's very nice. And again, tons of space to walk around, to get dressed, to move around in here. And then, you know, just, again, let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear what you guys think of the layout, because although, you know, I love it, what do you love about it? What do you not like about it? Let me know in the comments. Love to hear from you. If you have any questions, you want more information, you know, text me, email me, you know the drill. And you can come in here and see me and ask for Rachel, Funtown RV in Waco. And I will absolutely help you out. It's one of my favorite things to do, is find you guys the perfect RV. I absolutely love doing it. So yeah, you guys let me know and we will go from there.